We saw several Michigan dignitaries front and center at the inauguration. Some say this is a new day in America. They also hope there's a way to heal the divide.
I, Joseph Robinette Biden.
I, Kamala Davy Harris.
History in the making.
The peaceful transfer of power. And that's what makes America so special.
Michigan U.S. Senator Gary Peters had a front row seat at the inauguration. He served next to Vice President Harris on the Senate floor.
When you see a friend take the oath of office to be vice president, that's special. But when you also consider the history of having the first Asian American, the first African American woman, it is just was really a pretty special experience for me.
Michigan Congresswoman Brenda Lawrence also went to Washington and passed through intense security and sat through an inauguration like no other.
We're going to work together. It was good to see Pence on that stage. It was good to see George Bush on that stage.
Republican lawmakers from our state were also sprinkled throughout the small and mostly socially distanced crowd, including Congressman John Moolenaar and Tim Walberg. Moolenaar declined an interview with Action News, and Walberg did not get back with us. Both are accused of trying to overturn the election results. However, Walberg shared this photo at the inauguration on his Twitter page. He wrote, "I have attended the inauguration of presidents from both parties out of respect for the office." He added, "I will seek common ground where possible while always making sure to serve the best interests of our district." Congresswoman Lawrence says she's ready to work with all sides.
We are going to have to lock arms and say we're going to do better in America.
And Lawrence says that means they have to turn the tide of the COVID-19 pandemic and somehow unite the country. We should also mention Governor Whitmer was also in Washington at the historic inauguration. In Detroit, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.